didn't vanish, it didn't break. It was taken piece by piece for control's sake. There was a time, clear and revealed, when the people held both sword and shield. The shield stood firm, a guarded wall, between the innocent and the weight of the call. The sword struck clean, sharp and true, cutting through lives before they grew. That was the balance, simple, real, justice to act and strength to shield. Before the system, before the seal, there lived a code, a spoken deal. 997 voices sworn to guard the truth from dusk to morn. No innocent named, no guilty concealed. The first faint echo of sword and shield. Then structure rose, the lines were fixed. 1166 voices gathered, order revealed, the shaping of law, the forging of shield. But still it leaned toward throne and crown, power above, the people down. Then came the turn, a line drawn clear. 12:15, the change was near. No man judged by crown or field, but by his peers with sword and shield. Now power checked, no longer sealed by king alone, but people's shield. 1791, it was made known, written in law, set in stone. The people would stand, no force concealed, between the charge with sword and shield. But something shifted, slow, concealed, not all at once, not by decree, but quietly and gradually. Too slow, they said, too costly too much for them, we'll handle it for you. Too slow, too costly, too complex to wield, and step by step the truth was sealed. The shield grew heavy, lowered just so, not all at once, you'd barely know. The sword grew distant, faded from view, not lost in battle, just taken from you after the war. As nations healed, control increased behind the shield. 1940, the lines were drawn, structure set, a system born. Then came the shift, quiet concealed. 1974, no need for truth to stay cleanly sealed. 1992, the line repealed. No need to show what might have healed. And the people still there, still real, but no longer holding the sword and shield. As it removed, it was redirected, layer by layer, field by field. What was once yours, what you could wield, was slowly taken, yet never repealed. But hear this now, what's been concealed can be revealed. What's been forgotten can be repealed. And what was placed in the people's hand was never meant to leave this land. So ask it now and let it yield. What happened to the sword and shield? Or will you take them back and stand your ground? Unshaken reveal